If you've already launched your online store and you're stuck at 1 to 2 orders per day and you're not really sure how to bridge that gap to take your store to 10 to 50 orders per day, this video, we're going to get clear on exactly how to do that. So last week I was talking to a store owner that had already launched his product and he had a couple dozen reviews, but he was frustrated because although he was getting 1 to 2 orders a day, for him it was unpredictable. And for him to take his store to say that 50 orders per day and scaling up to 7 figures in the next few months, he knew that his business was missing something. And today we're going to talk about exactly what that is. He is missing a predictable sales engine. So at this point, this entrepreneur has already launched his product and he's getting some traction. But what we need to do is introduce an additional source of traffic. So in this video, for the entrepreneurs that are ready, we're going to look at how to get started with paid ads to start scaling up your organic sales to building that predictable sales engine. So the predictable sales engine is a mix between having a good traffic source, meaning a way to bring people to your website predictably. You have a website that's converting and you want to make sure that you're converting about 2% of website traffic into orders. And then you also want to make sure that you have a way to capture interest by building a community or an email list. When these three foundational things are working together, then it is just a matter of building some predictability behind that in bringing in additional traffic through paid methods. So let's actually talk about whether you are ready for paid methods first, and then we'll go into how to get into that. So paid methods, first off, when you start to bring in traffic through Facebook and Google and Instagram, it is going to be an amplifier for what you have. So number one, you need to make sure that you have a website that is kind of working and a product that is kind of validated and you've set yourself up for success. And don't worry, in this video, we're covering exactly how to do that if you're like, I don't know if that's me. Paid traffic is an amplifier. So we have to make sure the foundation works so that we amplify that success. So with the entrepreneur that I just spoke about earlier, who's already getting some organic traction, that is a really good signal that he's ready for paid ads because things are already working organically, and then we just need traffic to ramp that up. So let's look at how to set yourself up for success with paid ads, because there is a little bit of work that you need to do to make sure that you're not burning your cash as soon as you press launch on those Facebook ads. One of the main failure points with paid ads is entrepreneurs not getting really clear on who their customer is or what is unique about their product, also known as the USP, and really understanding the thing that people are buying or the outcome or the promise. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to get clear on building your Oasis of influence. Building your Oasis of influence means that you're getting really clear on building your own category in the market of how exactly your product stands out, exactly who it's for, and exactly how it is different than what is currently available on the market. This is the essence of building a premium brand for yourself by positioning your product in a way that is a standout category on its own. This brings me to point number 2, which is building an effective creative strategy. The first thing I want to mention is that advertising from 5 years ago meant that we had to put a lot more focus on telling Facebook, Instagram, Google exactly who to show our ads to. So for a time, until algorithms caught up, a lot of our testing came down to understanding exactly what interests our customers had or keywords they were searching for, and build out a profile to tell exactly who to show our ads to in the hopes of getting customers. Creative strategy has completely shifted in the last couple of years because the algorithms available on Meta, Google, other advertising platforms are arguably better than us at finding our own customers based on user engagement. What this means is that your strategy and your ability to have ads convert to orders effectively and profitably is about 90% in your creative strategy. So your creative strategy means the videos that you're building, the visuals that you're putting out there, and what your customers are actually engaging with online. So it's actually less about what your targeting options look like when you go to build your ads, and it is about 90, arguably 95% the creative, because your creative, its job is to grab attention, call out your ideal customer, and get people to click over to your website so that they will order your product. So let's take a look at how to build an effective creative strategy. So I'm going to show you 3 ad creatives for 3 different products, and then we'll talk about the creative strategy that went into this. So after 3 of these products, after we did an in-depth Oasis of influence positioning workshop, we then took that information to focus our message and build creatives around that. Okay, so the first one is for a new leather bag. Okay, so that one is all about pulling out specific features. Video is king when it comes to being able to really sell the lifestyle of a premium luxury bag like this. So this video hits on a couple layers. We have our main demographic, that is the actor in this video. We showcase her traveling around with the bag, unpacking it, using it for the use case that we feel that this product is going to be used for. And we also called out a couple of main features that we feel our demographic is going to be most excited about. So we use that to build the strategy and the script for a video like this. Example number 2 is for a premium sock brand, and images do really well. This is one of our best performers. So there's a few things that go into building this creative. Number 1 is we have social proof using a review. Number 2, we do a product close-up. So it's very clear what this product is, and we're selling a look. This is accessorized. This is luxury socks. So we have that, and we also know from our data that this is one of our best sellers, and we also know that this image is one of the top performers in terms of us being able to convert people not only to click on it through click-through rate, but place orders. So this is one of the creatives that has gone through a couple of iterations based on the data that we've collected and building on that. So that's just some of the strategy that goes behind testing. Now, number 3, we look at another product. This is another example of social proof used to sell a diaper changing pad.
The movie literally cocoons her. It's like a sweet, gentle hug. So there's a lot of diaper changing pads on the market, but they're not all created equal. With my second daughter, I knew that I wanted to get the Movi cocoon because of the nice tall sides and the thick, cozy strap that goes across the belly. Especially now at 4 months old, my baby's extra wiggly, she's wanting to roll. I also love that the base is wipeable, so for those blowout moments, it's easy to just clean right up without any extra laundry. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite ads because not only is it a mom, so we're showing the demographic, we're telling a story about why this product is so important to her. We're not just talking about features and benefits, but we are selling a lifestyle accessory, and that is layered into the script with exactly how the mom is focused on talking about how the Movi has made her life easier. She's not just saying, oh, look at the soft safety belt and all these other cool things. It's easy to wipe down. She elaborates on why that's important to serving her life as a busy mom. So there's a tool that I love to use when building out creative strategy called Foreplay. Foreplay is like an ad library on steroids. So this is the other side to creative strategy that I love because first we want to take a look at one side, which is really focusing your message so that you don't make the mistake of being too broad or not speaking effectively to your target audience. But the other side is being really mindful of the trends and what is working with other similar products so that we can use a blend of both of those to build creatives that are going to work. To start a free trial of Foreplay, I have added an affiliate link below if you want to support. If not, go to foreplay.co, sign up for a new account. But let me take you behind the scenes and show you how this works. Let's say you have a fitness product and you want to see what other people in your space are doing. Okay, so going into discovery, we want to use a few of the filters. So when we do the filters, I like to start pretty broad in your niche versus just trying to find a specific identical product. It just opens up more creativity here. So here in the format, I definitely want all 3 formats because right now, while video is king, we do get some images that work really, really well. Test, always figure out what works. Platform, we're building creative strategy for Meta right now, so that's going to be your Facebook and Instagram. And then let's just do niche will be we'll do health and wellness, okay? So at this point, you can scroll through and see what catches your attention. And then what you could do is you can create what's called a board. And if you want to create an inspiration board, you can do that is you can compile a bunch of different inspirations specific to the product that you have. And when you have a predictable sales engine in place, this is how you can get a profitable return much faster, and you can get a really healthy acquisition cost to help you scale your premium brand. But the last point of how to make sure that you have success is working with the right growth partner to implement this. So if you are a business owner that knows that you're not a marketer and paid ads is not your thing, but you've got a great product and you are ready to take it from 2 orders a day to 10, 20, or 50, we work with select brands to help you build a predictive sales engine into your business using paid traffic so that you're able to scale predictably and profitably. And if that's something that you would like to learn more about, be sure to check out some of the resources below or book a call with our team at launchandscale.co. Outside of that, if you have found value in this video, please do give it a thumbs up and comment below to let me know how it is. Anyway, talk to you soon. We'll see you next time.